Welcome to the first video in this e-course that accompanies one or more forest bathing walks. My name's Tia Ho, and I'll be one of your guides on the forest bathing walks along with this e-course, as well as my colleague Irene from Temenos Rising. This is called Forest Bathing, Nourishment in Uncertain Times. In this mini-course and on our walks together, we'll be building a container to support you in slowing down and experiencing the power of reconnecting to natural systems, supporting reconnection to one another and the more than human world, sharing elements of sensory and forest-based practices for rediscovering calm, ease, and pleasure as they emerge within you, exploring wonder and curiosity as your guide with forest as healer, and providing a foundation on some of the science behind why being in nature can support your health. Our intention is for you after this mini workshop to recognize when your mind and body could use some restoration, to know at least one sensory pathway where you feel supported by nature, and for you to be able to combine sensory elements when you're on a walk, looking at a plant in your house, or even being in the backyard to feel the support of the natural world when you want to help your nervous system settle. And also that you'll remember or begin learning what it's like to be a kid outside. We're both excited and appreciative to be included in your learning and exploration pathway into forest bathing. I'm a certified outdoor guide, and I like to open opportunity pathways for people to reclaim their growth processes through courses, applied sensory-based mindfulness, and nature as a guide. And Irene Bailey of Temenos Rising is a certified guide with the Association for Nature and Forest Therapy and a Buddhist eco-chaplain. She loves facilitating experiences, connecting people to themselves, the natural world, and their community. This content can be viewed and practiced anytime you like, before or after a walk. If you sign up for 2 walks, it may be most useful for you to view it between walk 1 and walk 2, as there is an invitation for you to share from the mini course into the group in the second walk. There will be guided practices offered in all of the videos in this series, similar to what we do on the walks. And for that invited homework or for those practices, it's recommended that you offer yourself time to sink into those experiences without distractions. I'll see you in the next video.